Hi, hello bachcho. Welcome back to my channel Maths Lager Ho. In the last class we have seen question number 10 to 12. Now today we will see the question number 13. What they had asked we will see. Find the position vector of a point R which divides the line joining two points capital P and capital Q whose position vectors are I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap and minus I cap plus j cap plus k cap respectively in the ratio 2:1. And first he has given internally and second question he has asked externally. First you should know position vectors how we will write. Point or position vectors always we will start from O vector, dear students. Position vector means what? Which will come the line from origin. So now see here we can write it as what he has given point P. Point P is given as what? OP vector is given how much? I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap, dear students. And what is Q? Q is also given OQ. Points are given these both. So that is minus I cap plus j cap plus k cap, dear students. So respectively in the ratio what? M is to N is given how much? M is to N is given as 2:1. M value is 2, N value is 1, dear students. So now first is what? You have to find internally. Internally we are finding. Internally, now try to understand. Internally formula how it will become. Here position vector R divides the line PQ in the ratio 2:1 he has given. So that means OR vector is equal to M into B will write, no, B is what? OQ plus N into A will write, A is what? OP here. OP vector divided by M plus N, dear students. Clear? So now start substituting the values. M means what? That is 2. OQ means what? That is given here minus I cap plus j cap plus k cap. And N vector, N is what? What is N? N is 1. 1 into OP is how much? I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap whole divided by what you will get here M plus N. M plus N means 2 plus 1. Clear? So now start multiplying 2 into minus 1 minus 2 I cap 2 into j 2j 2 into k 2k, dear students. 2 into k is 2k. 1 into anything is same. You write this as I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap as it is. I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap whole divided by 2 plus 1 is how much, dear students? That is 3. So now see minus 2 I cap plus I cap is how much? That will become minus I cap. Clear? So now see next 2 j cap plus 2 j cap that will become 4 j cap, dear students. 4 j cap plus 2 k cap minus k cap. 2 minus 1 is how much? 1 k cap whole divided by 3. This is your answer of what? Internally. Now let us see what externally second. Externally formula you know very well. If you don't know, no problem, I will write here. Externally how will write? OR vector same only. So M into OQ, M into OQ, just you replace by plus sign by what? Minus N into OP vector whole divided by M minus N, dear students. Clear? Just you have to replace plus by minus sign, that is only externally. So now M is what? 2. OQ is what? Minus I cap plus j cap plus k cap and N is 1 only. OP is what? I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap. I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap whole divided by M value is how much? M value is 2. N value is 1. So M minus N means what? 2 minus 1. So now 2 into minus 2 I cap 2 into j 2 j cap 2 into k 2 k cap. So now see minus into 1 minus 1 into I cap minus I cap minus into plus minus 1 2 za 2 j cap minus into minus plus 1 into k cap, dear students. Clear? Whole divided by 2 minus 1 is 1. Clear? So now next you see minus 2 minus I cap minus I cap is minus 3 I cap here plus 2 j cap minus 2 j cap is what? Cancelled or not? This both. Clear? 2 k cap plus k cap is how much? 3 k cap whole divided by 1 you write or you may not write also, it doesn't matter. So this will become what? Minus 3 I cap plus 3 k cap, dear students. This is the answer for what? Externally. I hope you are understanding. If you are understanding, please like my channel. So we'll see the next question now. Please copy this. Let us continue with next question, dear students. Question number 14. Find the projection of the vectors. Vector A is equal to I cap minus j cap plus 3 k cap on the vector B is equal to 2 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 2 k cap. So you know the projection of the vector formula. So that is A on B, A dot B divided by magnitude B, dear students. So now let us see. Given you write vector A is what? I cap minus j cap plus 3 k cap. And vector B is what? 2 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 2 k cap. Clear? So now projection of a vector. I have to find this only, no? Find the projection of the vector. Projection of the vector A on B is equal to what? Vector A dot vector B divided by magnitude vector B. So now see how to find here. What is A dot B now? Vector A is what? That is I cap minus j cap plus 3 k cap dot vector B is what? 2 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 2 k cap, dear students. Whole divided by magnitude B. Magnitude B you know how to find. So here x value is what? 2 square. Y value is what? 3 square. It will become. Z value is 2 square it will become. So how much you will get here? I to I you have to multiply. 1 into 2 minus 1 into 3 minus 3, dear students. 3 2s are 6. Whole divided by now 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 2 square 4. How much you will get here? 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 is 6. 6 minus 1 is how much? 5, no? 5 whole divided by 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 plus 4 is 17, dear students. This is the projection of the vector A on B, dear students. Clear? I hope you are understanding. If you are understanding, please like my channel and subscribe it. We'll meet you in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ. Thank you.